Thank you, Badri. Thank you so much for taking your time off a very busy schedule.
Thank you.
For those of you who don't know, for the one or two people living under a rock or something, this is Badri. He's a musician. He creates magic through this miracle called Motamadi music, and everybody loves it. How now that Motamadi music is under wraps for some time
Yeah.
now. So how is that affecting, and what is the story behind that?
One, it is very clearly disappointing because probably 2 years back when I was a freelance musician, if that this has happened then, I wouldn't have been affected this much. But for the past 2 years, every once in 2 or 3 weeks, I used to be performing with people, and now that part is hugely missing. Considering Motamadi music is everything that's surrounded by people, I got accustomed to that fact, and that is very disappointing right now.
Those of you watching, Badri in fact has his Instagram page where he keeps putting up these beautiful, beautiful songs, his own renditions as well. So my next question is: see, I know Motamadi music is all about creating this magic with people, right? People coming together. I've been fortunate enough to be a part of that magic. So Motamadi music is everything that this quarantine is against, right?
Yeah,
People come.
absolutely. Every Tuesday, I'm going live with my flautist. And in that, we just play music. And
Hmm.
that flautist is a very famous guy. I mean, those who have been to Motomori music, they will know the talent that he possesses. So that is one kind of interesting thing I do. Other than that, pretty much everybody are doing their own part with respect to art, I guess. But what I just want to mention is it shouldn't add any pressure to anyone, that there is no compulsion that you should be coming out with something during this quarantine time.
I mean, having known you personally, I know that you're this leader figure amongst artists, right? People look up to you. And now today there is certain uncertainty regarding artists, like stand-up comedians, theater artists, whoever
Yeah,
they may be. They are not in a comfortable position. Almost a month out of job now, and probably no shows in the coming couple of months as well. So,
definitely.
is there something that you would like to tell them to your fellow artists who might be nervous or anxious at this point, myself included?
One is, I always believe that art and cinema finds a way to save itself, because it is that survival point for everyone. So they will never let it go extinct. It will always find its way to, and we being the artists who will be carrying it, we will also find a way. So once this is all our, say, for example, we are starting from September, say we're all going to run sold out shows because people are in need of this art. And that is the hope I'm clinging to.
True, true, true. And the fact that people are turning to art during these difficult times, that is a
Yeah.
very, very proud thing, right? As artists, is there anything else that you want to say to Motamadi music followers or artists or people in general who might be having a difficult time, who might be a little anxious?
One is, if you're a believer in God, believe in God, we will be out of this. If you're not a believer in God, believe in the art that will rescue you. And that is all I want to say. I'm just very praying or hoping for some kind of miracle to happen so that all we can get onto stage and start performing again and start entertaining people again. I got used to see all the happy faces of people. When I am on stage, they are always happy. I can only see them smiling, and I miss that.
Thank you so much, Bali. It is great of you to come out and open up like this. I know, even though you might say otherwise, I know you were a little busy going on with work and all. So, hopefully, we will be able to meet in person sometime soon, and hopefully, that
Definitely.
will be another magical Motamadi music session somewhere. So,
Hopefully.
thank you so much. Thank you so much for
Thank you.
giving me
Thank
the
you,
time.
Ram. Thank you so much for having me here. Thank
Thank
you.
you.